Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making a dish called the Daging Masak Bali, aka beef strips done Balinese style. So the first thing I need to do is make a paste, and I'll just quickly show you the ingredients of the paste. So in my paste I'm going to be using 4 cloves of garlic, about a centimetre square piece of Balinese, which is that dried stinky shrimp paste. I've got 4 bird's eye chilies. I've got about 3 shallots, or those little small size onions, and I've got a sizable knob of ginger plus a little bit more. And I'm just going to whiz those up. You can do that in the mortar and pestle. I'm just going to use my food processor. So I'll get on with that and I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys, so I've just got my Matty Boom Boom wok here, heating up some oil, a couple of tablespoons. Just got my whizzed up paste now. So I'm just going to give that a bit of a fry off. Alrighty, my paste has been cooking here now for 3 or 4 minutes. The next thing I'm going to add here is I've got 600 grams of oyster blade steak that I've just sliced up. And look, oyster blade steak here in Australia anyway is quite a budget cut of meat. You don't need to use a really expensive cut of steak like a good fillet or anything for this, because we are going to be braising it for a while, and that will help tenderise it. So we're just going to throw all that meat in there, and we're just going to continue cooking that away in that paste. Just for another 5 minutes or so. Alrighty guys, so my beef's been cooking away in that paste there for 5 or 6 minutes. Very simple. All we're going to do now is add a few more ingredients, and then we're just going to simmer it for a while. So I've got here 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. I've got 3 tablespoons of tamarind puree. Got about 1.5 leaves of kaffir lime leaf, which I've just sort of roughly julienned up. And I'm going to throw in a hard lump here. It's probably a couple of tablespoons of palm sugar, and that'll just melt down in there. And I'm also going to add probably about 1 cup of water. And like I say, I'll bring that back to the boil and get it down to a simmer. And I'm going to put the lid on it, probably simmer it for about 15-20 minutes. Take the lid off, and then we're just going to cook it till most of that liquid evaporates and our beef's nice and tender. Alrighty, so I've plated up my Daging Masak Bali. It's looking really good, as you saw. I hope you saw. Yeah, let's just taste a bit. And Daging Masak Bali just means Balinese beef strips, basically. So you can't really see it up close, but it just tastes absolutely delicious. I can't describe how good it is. It's got that real sour flavour with that tamarind. It's a good hit of spice with the chilies. There's a bit of sweetness there. It's just delicious, and that meat is as tender as anything. It's just about melting in my mouth, and man, that is a really good meal. In fact, I'm going to sit down and eat the rest of it now and wash it down with a cold bintang. I did manage to get some bintangs. Look guys, I really hope you give this one a try. It's a really delicious dish. It's a little bit different than a lot of other dishes. Very worthwhile trying, and so simple. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks to those who subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. And I'm not just saying that, I do appreciate it. Slow and steady wins the race. They tick over very slowly, but for those of you that are subscribing, thanks so much. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask, yeah, you hit the subscribe button, jump on board the journey here. This is just real food in a real little kitchen in a little 1-bedroom flat. Anyone can make it. That's the idea of this. And if you don't want to, no worries. Just thanks for watching anyway, and I will see you all next time.